and it's not staying. Oh, this is going to be a fail. No, let's see, Sha. Do you prefer A, the smaller one, or B, the section where we were pulling out two strands? Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am just curious to see how jungle braids will turn out using Brazilian wool or yarn, and I am sincerely just curious, so let's do this. I am going to be making it a jungle knotless box braid, so let's start. Let us start. So this is the hair piece I will be using. I hold it in the middle, starting off with 2, and I just attach it to the hair. Two more. So this is 4. This is 6. I try to hold it in the middle. This is 6. Most times I make most time when I make box braid with yarn, we usually use around 8 or so. 8, 10 for a medium sized hair. I think I am going to stop after this one. So let's see. The wool is being tucked away instead of the hair being tucked away. So let's start pulling and see. Should I just pull 1 or 2? And it's not staying. Oh, this is going to be a fail. No, let's see, Sha. Let's keep going. Pull. 1, 2, 3. What I can say firsthand is that this is just more of a nuisance. It is slightly more difficult than using expression braiding hair or those type of braiding hair. So I am just pulling up 1 strand of hair. This hair tends to really stick together. Okay, I'm getting a hang of it, so now it's no more feeling really awkward or like, come on, go back. 1, 3, we pull. 1, 2, 3. I think this is going to be this will be easier if you are using bobby wool, because the wool doesn't behave so much like hair, and since you are coming in to pull just 1 of this yarn, it will definitely be easier to differentiate 1 yarn and just pull it out. Yes, I think this is going to help you to be able to see what I am doing. I think I am just going to stop it here because some of them have gotten really short and it's just annoying. So I think this is a medium size, yeah? Should you try? Let's try a jumbo size. So I have 3. I am adding 3 at once just because I want the size to get bigger fast. Second 3. Third 3. One, 2, 3, 2. Wow, this is 2. I pulled 2 here. I am going to pull 2 all through the rest of the hair just to see if it looks better. So guys, on this side I was pulling out just one of the Brazilian wool and you can see how it is, but on the lower side, on this other side, I was pulling out 2 at once, so you can see the difference. This place is a little bit, I don't know, this one I was pulling out 2 to looks more solid or more it looks better than when I was pulling out one here, and this other smaller one I pulled out just one strand all the way through. It still looks nice though, it looks nice, but I think I prefer this place. What do you think? Do you prefer A, the smaller one, or B, the section where we were pulling out 2 strands? So this is this one. This looks like a weird animal though, with this is the head and the body. Ha! Guys, thank you so much for watching.